Hi there, Crystal here at Campkin's RV Center. I'm going to talk about this Tracer 190RBSLE. Let's start with the front of this trailer. You've got a nice diamond plate, two 20-pound propane tanks, and your storage door has little magnets on it, so that helps you hold up that door. Nice long awning across this with some outdoor speakers, and you've got dual axles on this little trailer. This trailer only comes in weighing just over 4,100 pounds, so a heavy SUV would pull this one. Let's take a look inside. The bed's in a nice open space. You've got great bedside table area and plugs on either side, so if you had a machine to plug in or just even your cell phone. Wrapping around here, we've got a giant U-shaped dinette. Great for the family to join you, or it could go down as a bed for that little extra guest. Large window, which would be a nice airflow. Then you've got your entertainment center, easy to view from the table or being cozy in bed. At the back is our bathroom. Large shower, huge shower, enough for Dad to have all the space he needs. A little sink there. And then you've got a massive cupboard to store all the towels and toilet paper and toiletries that you need. When we come out here, I just want to focus on the air conditioner. It is ducted in this little trailer, but it also has a cool dump feature. So if you're at the beach all day, you come back in and it's really hot in here, this will dump some cool air and help this cool down quite nicely. Our kitchen prep station has a nice Furion fan above, and it's set up very high, so as you can see, it gives you a lot of space and you're able to see what you're cooking because that fan's not hanging down so low. Nice giant sink for those pots and pans and bigger dishes. You've got two drawers and a cupboard, and also cupboards above, of course. Really great trailer, lots of space in here, nice and open, and the decor is beautiful. Once again, this is the Tracer 190RBSLE. It's worth the hurdle to Myrtle. Come on down to Campkin's RV Center.